Mujeres is a charming island, northern part of Mexico. It's known for its pristine beach, clear water, and vibrant underwater life. It offers activities like scuba diving, snorkeling, and visiting underwater museums. Today is an exciting day because we are going to Isla Mujeres from Cancun. This is going to be a fun tour. We are taking Catamaran, and Catamaran. It is fun. Music, party, everything. Look at these beautiful catamarans. It looks beautiful. We're gonna start our journey soon. Catamaran tour is one of the most popular tour from Cancun to Isla Mujeres. This catamaran tour we paid $50, which included beverage in catamaran, also snorkeling and lunch at beach club at Isla Mujeres. Around 10:30 we started our journey from Cancun. Front of the Catamaran was really fun. Beautiful music, nice sunny days, and the view is really nice. Now our tour guide was describing us about the tour, what we're expecting at the tour, when we're going to go for snorkeling, and some of the other details of Isla Mujeres, our beach clubs, what we're going to eat in the lunch, everything. Catamaran was really fun. The journey was amazing. The experience and everything was really nice. I really love it. I came back to see how it looks from the back. I really like from the back, especially that little boat really looks really good, and the views from the back and other boats looks really beautiful. Now we stop for snorkeling. I really like their hidden underwater museum and the beautiful coral reefs. After finishing our snorkeling, we are getting back to our catamaran and going to Isla Mujeres. We just arrived Isla Mujeres. The water is really nice. The color was really beautiful. Now we're walking towards our beautiful beach club where we're gonna spend few hours. We're gonna have lunch there and gonna sit on the bench, get some nice sun. Sitting here at the beach was really nice and the view was really amazing, make me feel great. After spending some beautiful time at the beach, we were going for a lunch. The lunch was really amazing. We had a buffet lunch. We tried different kind of food here. After finish our lunch, we spent some nice time at the pool and the view from the pool was really nice. After spending beautiful time at the beach club, we're going back to Catamaran to go in other part of Isla Mujeres. There is a very popular beach there. We're gonna spend nice time there. We just reached main part of Isla Mujeres, the beach. This part is pretty busy, as you can see, lots of people around. Then we went to a mall to see some souvenir. Lots of different kind of things you can buy. Then we went to the street. The great way to see the island is rent a golf cart. The rent of golf cart is around 200 to 400 pesos. We spent some time at the beach and as you can see, this beach is really crowded, around lots of people, as Isla Mujeres is really popular spot to come and it's a really great place to come for a day trip from Cancun. I tried some tropical coconut. The coconut was really refreshing. At the end of the day, we're heading back to Cancun and you can see the magical breathtaking view of the sunset. At the end of the day comes to close on Isla Mujeres. The magical sunset is happening now. The sunset was one of the best experience I ever had. The sky transformed into a breathtaking canvas of color, shade of orange, pink and purple blending together like a painting. You can almost hear the waves softly crashing against the shore, adding the unique atmosphere. Journey to Isla Mujeres was really special for me. I really liked the Catamaran tour and the atmosphere. It was really fun. You should definitely try it. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe.